In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom template in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Are you ready to streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and keep things organized with your very own custom template? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to take this step by step. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive into the world of Notion. To start, you're going to want to open a database. Whether you're working with an existing project or starting something fresh, having your database open is the first step. Imagine the database as a blank canvas where our masterpiece will begin to take shape. Once you've got that ready, you'll notice the interface brimming with possibilities and tools at your disposal. Now let's add a new page to get the creative juices flowing. Look for the option that says Plus New Page. Clicking on this will open up a fresh page where we can start designing our custom template. It's like opening a new document where you're about to embark on the design process. Here, your imagination and requirements dictate how this template will serve your specific needs. Now comes the fun part, adding the elements you need to create the structure of your template. This is where you can truly customize things. Essentially, you're setting up a skeleton of what you'd like to see every time you use this template. You can organize your tasks, add relevant text, and set up the properties that mirror the structure that will align with your workflow. Think about the kinds of details you need regularly. Perhaps it's project deadlines, priority levels, or research notes. Visualizing how you want the information laid out will help ensure this template is functional and fits your requirements. Finally, there's the critical step of saving your work as a template for future use. This will ensure that all the hard work you put into creating this custom layout doesn't go to waste. With your template saved, you're able to efficiently replicate this structure without starting from scratch each time. Simply call it a name that is easily recognizable to you, like Weekly Planning or Project Overview, so that when you're ready to utilize this template again, it's just a quick click away. By following these steps, you will have successfully created a custom template in Notion. This will not only help you keep things organized, but will also save you lots of time and effort in the future. It truly is a powerful way to enhance your productivity. Thank you for joining me in this journey, and happy Notioning. If any questions pop up on your path to productivity, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy organizing!